Injection molding is one of the most efficient ways to make plastic parts at scale. But cost can change dramatically depending on how the part is designed. A small decision in geometry, wall thickness, or material can increase your price more than you think. Today, we'll break down the most important ways to reduce injection molding cost without sacrificing quality. And throughout the video, you'll see how MaxNext helps you identify cost drivers instantly with automated DFM and real-time quoting. Simplify geometry early. Tooling is often the biggest cost factor. The simpler the geometry, the cheaper the mold. Features like undercuts, sharp corners, deep ribs, and inconsistent walls add machining steps, which increases cost. But even small improvements can make a big difference. Use rounded corners instead of sharp ones. Keep wall thickness uniform wherever possible. Remove unnecessary undercuts that force complex tooling. MaxNext highlights these issues automatically when you upload your CAD file, giving you instant clarity on which features increase your price. Choose the right material. Material selection can double or even triple the cost of a part. Many engineers jump to high-performance polymers even when simpler materials perform just as well. Switching from PC to PC ABS or from ABS to PP often reduces cost while keeping mechanical strength within requirements. MaxNext's quoting engine allows you to switch materials instantly and see real-time price changes, making it easier to compare options and avoid overspending. Reduce cycle time through smart design. Cycle time has a direct impact on cost. Faster cycles mean cheaper parts. Design choices that reduce cooling time, such as thinner walls, gradual transitions, and proper rib design, can significantly lower cost. Hotspots, thick sections, and deep pockets usually slow the process and increase price. MaxNext's built-in mold flow simulation helps identify these issues before tooling begins, giving you the chance to optimize geometry early. Use proper draft angles. Draft angles allow the part to eject smoothly from the mold. Without enough draft, parts stick to the tooling, increasing wear, slowing production, and causing defects. All of this adds cost. Even a small angle, like 1 or 2 degrees, can dramatically improve manufacturability. MaxNext's automated DFM report flags insufficient draft immediately so you can correct it before it becomes an expensive problem. Select the right quantity and let MaxNext do the calculation. Injection molding becomes cost-effective once volume increases. Ordering too few parts drives cost per unit up. Ordering too many ties up inventory. MaxNext's quoting system makes this simple. You can adjust quantity and instantly see how the per-part price changes, helping you find the optimal production volume. And because MaxNext combines DFM, mold flow, and instant pricing in one place, you get a clear view of everything affecting your part cost. No waiting, no guesswork, just accurate numbers. Reducing cost in injection molding is about smart design, smart materials, and smart validation. With MaxNext, you get real-time insight into all of these. Upload your CAD file today and get automatic DFM feedback, mold flow analysis, and instant pricing, all in seconds. MaxNext, where precision engineering meets cost-efficient manufacturing.